Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Central Puja Committee ka balong ka kunhon ka bapek ya ka jingyat bet ka le niam puja jong ki reu nget Hindu ha ka nong ba Shillong ha ka jing rakhi ya ka Jubilee rupa ha ka artarik ursau arjar khat khandai kala khot bat weri ki jat niam baro ki badon ha ka jilla Meghalaya ban penne ya ka shongsuk shongsang ka Central Puja Committee kala pha yau niu kurwa ha ka jingyalang ka ba kerpang ka balalong ha Aurobindo Institute Shillong ha ka bau menteri rang ba ka jelau Conrad K Sangma ulalong ukongsan kat bau MP ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Uma Vincent H Pala ulalong usembut kongsan ha ka ni ka sngi menteri rang ba ulasam ya ka khusnam Sarat Sanmam Award 2018.
Meghalaya is a cosmopolitan city where we have different faiths, we have different tribes, where we have different types of people. We need to have lots of patience, we need to work together. Though a small state of more than 30 lakh populations, but sometimes the small states create more problems. So with all the hard work, thank you for inviting me to be here. And I'm sure that this puja, the celebration of these festivals, Durga Puja is one of the biggest or the greatest festives in our state and maybe in the country, and it will bring victory of good over evil. I am sure, and I join with all of you, let us pray that the festivals will be successful and everybody will come, the weather will be with us, and the people of Meghalaya will be with you.
150 years of the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. And on this occasion, I take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a happy Gandhi Jayanti also. Friends, in this 150 years of Gandhi Jayanti that we are celebrating, it's actually a very, very important landmark for us. Gandhiji had fought for the freedom of this country, beautiful country of ours, on very strong principles. And today he is not with us, but his ideas and his values will never die. He lives with us even today through his values, through his principles, and through his ideas. Today, this program that we are having, Get Together of Harmony, in itself is a reflection of the principles that he believed in. Respect for all communities, all religions, people from all walks of life. And I think we couldn't have chosen a better day to have this get-together program of harmony to mark this program at the celebration and beginning of the festive season, but at the same time celebrating and truly remembering Mahatma Gandhi on the 150th birth anniversary.
He was born on 7th of June 1943 and has been closely connected